CBS Radio presents the CBS Radio Workshop, dedicated to man's imagination, the theater of the mind. Today, the Workshop offers an unusual departure in radio drama, a free adaptation of 14th century Japanese theater, based on Arthur Waley's translations of the classic No plays of Japan, adapted by Harvey Marlowe. Music composed and conducted by the noted Japanese composer Takushindo.
There is a rock which stands at the gates of the shrine on the highest peak of Mount Katsuragi. On this rock is written, "Whosoever of all mortal men, whether he be king or slave, if he turn his heart to me, I will send a light to lead him and guide him on his way."
I am Lord Hojo no Tokiyori, ruler of all Japan. But today my heart is heavy. The prayers at the temple are of no avail against the illness that has overtaken my wife, mother to the heir to my throne. Perhaps a pilgrimage to Mount Katsuragi will serve her better than all these prayers here at the temple.
So he arranged with the temple priests for a pilgrimage to begin on the morrow. Clad in the holy habit of the priests, with only his honored short sword strapped to his side, he went to take leave of his wife.
I have come to say goodbye, for I am soon starting on a ritual mountain climbing.
God be with you. I have heard that it is a dangerous ritual. Shall you take our son with you?
It is not a journey that a young child could make.
Well, I pray you will come back safely.
And I will pray for your good health. I must go now.
My lord, I have something to say.
What is it?
I would go with you to the mountains.
No. No, how could you leave your mother when she is not well?
It is because my mother is ill that I would go with you to pray for her.
My dear wife, your son says he would come with us. What is to be done?
Ishiwakamaru, when your father leaves, I will have none but you at my side. I have not had you out of mind or sight for as long a time as it takes a dewdrop to dry. Give me back the measure of my love. Let your love keep you with me. This is all as you say, yet nothing shall move me from my purpose. I must climb this difficult path and pray for your health in this life.
They saw no plea could move him, and so they set out. 80 or more, priests, pilgrims, the ruler of all Japan.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?